Trust right now is this bottle by my side. It's okay for me to say it's alright for you to believe that you're not the only one, girl, no, with these problems in your life. I got so many things to say, bringing me down. Can't nobody else tell me I know. Can't nobody help me now. I just wanna take the pain away. The only way to cure me now. I know it's not a solution, no. The only way that I know how. It's just me and my bottle hanging out tonight. He knows how to listen to me, how to help when days go by. Trust right now is this bottle by my side. I don't want no pill, I don't want to ruin my life. But the only thing I trust right now is this bottle by my side. I don't want no pills, I don't want to ruin my life. But the only thing I trust right now is this bottle by my side.